Have any animals ever returned from extinction? Of course not, silly. That's what extinction is. To have disappeared completely from the planet forever. Full stop. Finito. Oh, it would be pretty cool. Actually, in the purest definition of the term extinction, the answer really is no. But from mistaken conclusions to breakthrough genetics, the exceptions to extinction are surprising, and they could start increasing. So what do you say? Let's bring this debate back to life on Owl Connected's General Knowledge. Our journey of resurrection begins with a Lazarus Taxon. No, that's not an animal itself. It's a term given to species that were once in the fossil record and thought to have been extinct, only to have been magically rediscovered. A good example of this is the Coelacanth. For about a century, this fish was only known to science through fossils that had been left behind 66 million years ago. Then, in 1938, a fisherman caught one off the coast of South Africa. Sorry about that. And that is only the tip of the mistaken extinction iceberg. From the painted frog and the Laoatian Rock Rat to the Takahi and the dinosaur ant, there are hundreds of species that were once thought to have been completely gone from the planet, only to then be refound. But the key here is that none of these species ever went extinct. They were here all along, we just couldn't find them. But coming back from true extinction, well, that's a trickier matter. Now this is the moment where everyone begins to think about Jurassic Park. Scientists using somehow preserved DNA to bring an extinct species back to life. Currently, de-extinction, as it's called, is still science fiction, but it's starting to seem a little more like a reality all the time. One of the most famous examples of this is the woolly mammoth. Because these animals lived and died relatively recently and in such frigid environments, there are some excellent samples available of their hair, toes, fur, even flesh, aka DNA. But in order to make this new mammoth, scientists would need to use its closest relative, an elephant, as a host for the mammoth genes. This means that this new animal would always be some kind of a hybrid of the two creatures. In short, de-extincting a 100% true mammoth would be impossible, which means there's still no science to bring an animal back from extinction. Hey there, dinosaur lovers. We're sorry that your Jurassic moment is probably never going to happen. But if you subscribe to Owl Connected's General Knowledge, we'll never go extinct, which we sure appreciate.